So today we're going to show you how to swivel the seat in this VW Leisure Drive. What I've done for you is I've just removed the seat base. I've just popped it in the back for you now. What I recommend is when you are doing this, when you are swiveling the seat, to remove that seat base firstly so you can access the pins that I'll show you just in a second. To remove that seat base, you can see you've got these little locks here. Simply pull the base towards you in the up position and you can simply remove it. Now when you've got access underneath the seat, it's dead easy to unlock. All you need to do is remove these pins here. So they're your big pins, you can just stick them at the front, and then on each of your little little spindles, all you need to do is remove another pin, which is here. Just on the side, they just pop out like so, and that will free it up. Once you've done that, and do this for obviously all of your handles, all you need to do is simply turn this, pull it up and free it out of position, which I'll do for you now. As you can see, with them pulled up, all you need to do is then turn them a quarter of the way and that will lock them into position so they're not dropping down like so. Do the same thing for the front and that will then release the base to allow you to swivel it round. As you can see, they're all in the up position now. Now what you need to do is when you are swiveling the seat, please ensure that none of these rods drop down. If they drop down, they will get caught into the seat and it will no longer allow you to swivel it. That's the reason why I tell you to remove the base, so it's easier to see obviously that all of your rods are still in the up position. Once you're at this position, you can then begin to swivel the seat. You'll notice right in the middle you've got a pivotal point here, as you can see. And that will obviously allow you to swivel the seat. To swivel this, you need to swivel it clockwise to the driver's side, and that will allow you to swivel it all the way around to obviously face the back. As you can see, I've pulled the seat forward and twisted it towards the back, so it's now ready to swivel. As you can see, that swivels all the way around, and then coming on to the other side, I can then pull it round and fix it into position so it's facing the back. And as you can see, I've just pulled that all the way round now. And what you can do is then you'll notice these little holes right in the base. Just simply line them up, pull it to, drop that down, them rods, and that will clip it into place, ready for when you're seating backwards. You can then reattach the seat base onto here and then you're ready to go. One thing to mention is what I personally find easier is if you drop the handbrake, obviously put the vehicle into gear, it will help it swivel a lot easier due to the angle. And one thing as a reminder, please ensure that these rods are always in the up position when swiveling. If they drop down, that will be the reason for why the seat base gets stuck. So always ensure that these are in the up position. Simply do that by unscrewing, pulling up and then doing a quarter turn, and that will lock them into the up position, and then you'll be good to go.